All right, guys. So we got this from the ocdplug.com, and it's these Bronco signs right here. We actually just finished removing the sticker, protective sticker, and then if we turn this around, it's the 3M tape right there. So we're about to put this in our car. Okay, let's go. All right, guys. Moment of truth. Goodbye, Big Ben Sasquatch. Goodbye.
Are you sure?
Yeah, let's do this already.
I already removed it.
Oh no, it hurts. Is it magnet or just sticker?
No, I think it's sticker.
Oh, okay. Oh no.
Slash magnet, I think. I don't know.
The sticker's been through so many trips with us.
I know.
Oh no. And there. We'll save that.
Yeah.
Sorry. Memories right there. Oh, oh, you're just gonna put it right there? If you want, you can just put it here at the bottom.
The bottom?
Nah.
Yeah.
But
We can do that.
But the tape is already out though.
Yeah.
The stickiness.
No, I think it still has some stickiness.
Yeah, some. But if you drive 50 miles an hour, that thing's
I know
flying.
it's gonna...
All right, right now we're just kind of eyeing it to see where the Bronco sign would be. Yeah, I think that would be a perfect one right there.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. We just finished cleaning this with cloth, and we are now removing the sticker for the 3. Wow, I can smell the 3M from here. That's,
No.
that's pretty strong. Ready?
Okay, we're sticking it in.
Okay,
There's no
moment of
turning.
truth.
There's
All
no
right.
turning back.
I'm gonna put like, just to make sure, see how it's like. Doors wide open. So about like 2 finger space right there. And then right underneath
The line.
the line. All right, so this is it. No turning back.
We got this. Make sure it's straight.
There.
Oh no, it's not straight.
What?
No,
Oh,
I'm
crap.
just joking.
Hey, don't scare me.
Ta-da! That's so nice.
There we go. Someone asked us the other day in the gas station.
Yeah.
They said, what? They said this. They said, what kind of car is a big band? And they said, oh, sir, it's a Bronco.
It's like, oh, is this the new Bronco?
Yeah. All right. So it's nice and strong. Nice and
Yeah.
strong. So there you go. Now let's do the other side.
Yeah.
All right. So we're now removing the other side now, the passenger side.
Passenger side.
It's really nice and easy when it's hot. Huh?
Yeah.
And we just came outside too, and it's like 90 degrees outside.
There you go.
Wow. Oh no.
Bye-bye, Big Ben.
Bye-bye Big Ben sticker.
No one knows now that
Yeah.
this is a Big Ben.
I know. There you go.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right. So
2 finger.
about 2 fingers and a half,
Yeah.
and then 1 finger low.
Yeah. I think you're doing it right.
Right there. Right there. All right.
We just make sure it's straight.
Ready?
Yeah. There's no turning back. That's it. Perfecto.
I had to hold my breath.
Yeah.
Oh crap.
I can see your hands shaking.
I know.
It's okay.
No measuring too.
I know.
All just eyeing it.
Yeah. So if it's crooked, then
It's all my fault.
it's your fault. But it's straight. It's straight. Looks straight to me. Yeah. Wow, that's so nice.
We're now placing the stickers right there. Yeah. No. Make sure you have enough space to put all our other stickers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We should just put it here, and then all the other stickers will just be everywhere.
Sure.
Would that be okay?
Yeah. Why not?
Okay. Let's put this one here first. Is this straight enough?
Doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be straight.
There. First one.
Okay.
Second one.
There you go. Sweet. Cool.
Yeah.
All right. There's our sticker. All right, guys. So we just got this in the mail today. It is our rear mesh, what's that, system? guard, mesh protector. So we're about to see and find out if it fits or not. All right, guys. So this is how the restraint system looks like for the like back and side panels. All right, guys. So it doesn't really fit. It doesn't fit, huh? So we would have to get creative right now. So this net thing doesn't really fit our car, so, or the Bronco, because it's for what, Jeeps, right? Yeah. So we have to be creative. So we're just using Velcro to tape it on. Where's that? Under
this.
Under this. Yep, for the soft top. So that's what we're doing. So we couldn't install the side ones because it was just impossible. Like it wouldn't even fit on our like side. There was like no way. So anyways, good news is we got this one fixed. So that's cool. So this is how it looks like. And she did an awesome job. Yep. And so what we did was we put Velcro underneath, and then zip ties right there. So we had to think outside the box. All right, guys, this just came in today. It's from Texas, complete Bronco. Oh man, this is our Molle system from the back, and it's nice and solid. Yeah, we got both, left and right. So there's that. Cool. All right, so this is how it looks like on the ground, and this is just the screws that it comes with. I'm guessing we're gonna use the screws that we have in the car. So this is it right here. So we're here in our trunk, and we're setting things up. We have to remove some of our stuff to make room, and we're about to open this up right here. We had to pull this cover to pull it out, and then this is it. And then we just have to, I guess, we'll unscrew this and this, right? Just two top and in a corner, I guess.
No, just two top.
Just two top, two bottoms, or this one right here.
So now we're putting this now.
Yep, if I can see it.
All right, guys. So
This is how we're doing it.
Yeah, we bolted it.
Now we put this.
I don't think you could.
Anyways, this is
Yeah, it's
like,
strong already.
yeah, strong already. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we
be
could
fine.
try. Here, we'll see if that screw fits.
Yeah. Okay.
Right.
So we found.
Tighten this one. There you go.
I don't think it's going anywhere.
There, that's it.
Yeah.
But it ain't coming out though. I'll tell you that.
Cool.
There.
There. That's how it looks like.
All done. There, nice and secure. All right, we're just pulling this out. Just like that. Ooh, feels like I broke it, but I
yeah.
didn't.
The same concept, but you just
Same
need to-
concept. Make sure nothing's about to get squished. Okay, let's do this. All right, so we finished installing the driver's side. And this is how it looks. Right there. Okay, for some reason, this screw here is really tight. But on the other side, it's loose. So I guess it all depends on your Bronco then. See here, we're gonna go this side. Yeah, this one's loose. Oh wait, it's getting harder now. But yeah, it's, oh wait, yeah, it's still loose.
Because there's no
grip. There's no grip on the passenger side. So this is the Bronco's fault. Oh well, all right, that's it. All right guys, so we're gonna see how this looks like convertible. See if there's any issues. Here, let me, there you go. Let me pull this, push it down. Maybe.
Something is hitting something.
Something's hitting something. Oh, is it one of that?
I think so.
Oh, it's from our net.
Yeah.
All right, we finally got it all the way down. So this is how it looks like. So what was wrong with it? Just something got stuck? Huh? It was our convertible?
Yeah, I think it's not folding right.
Oh.
See, look at this, it's not folding right.
It's our convertible, guys. It's not folding right.
For some reason.
It's getting old. It's getting old. But this is how it looks like. Right there. So that's cool.